morning guys, we're now entering Arches National State Park. Aga-aga o si Inday nang bubulaho. Good morning guys, dito kami sa unang stop namin dito sa site ng Balance Rock. Yan po yung Balance Rock. Gone but not forgotten. So yung mga rock features daw dito nagbabago. Yan. Yeah, it says here, rock features in the park are always changing. Many to come slowly but they can disappear quickly. Such was the fate of Balance Rocks. Former sidekick called Chip Off, nawala na po siya. Okay. Thank you Lord for this amazing experience. The Garden of Eden is in the Philippines. Yan, di ba mo ano naman, position. Yeah. Ha? Teka. Matakil po gani ka. Wait lang. Wait. Go.